Welcome to this mindfulness meditation for managing the triggers of our internal alarm system by It's Your Story to Tell. You can begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down, hitting pause on this video and returning when you are ready. Listen to your body. It will tell you when it's time to begin. Let's find a quiet and comfortable seated position to sit or lie down, allowing your body to settle into a relaxed posture. Take a moment to adjust your position, ensuring that you feel supported and at ease. Now, gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or soften your gaze by fixing it on a point in front of you. Let's start by taking a deep breath together. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs and expanding your chest and abdomen. And hold that breath for a moment. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding on to. Let your breath return to its natural pace, simply observing its rhythm. And begin by bringing your awareness to your body. Feel the points of contact where your body meets the surface beneath you. Notice the sensations of contact and support, and allow yourself to fully relax into this connection, feeling grounded and present in the moment. And as you tune into your body, pay attention to any sensations you're experiencing. These might manifest as areas of tightness, warmth, or perhaps a sense of lightness. Acknowledge these sensations without trying to change them. Allow them to simply exist as they are. And shift your focus to your breath once again. Follow the inhalation and exhalation, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest or the expansion and contraction of your belly. Let your breath serve as an anchor to the present moment, guiding your attention back wherever distractions arise. And if thoughts or triggers come into your awareness, approach them with a sense of curiosity and observation. Picture these thoughts as leaves floating along a stream. Notice them as they pass by without engaging with them or getting carried away. Now, let's engage in intentional relaxation. Starting from your feet, bring your attention to any tension present in that area. With each exhale, consciously release that tension. Feel your muscles soften and relax. Move slowly upward through your body, relaxing each part as you go. A sense of ease washing over you with each breath out. And remind yourself of your safety in this moment. Allow reassuring affirmations to emerge in your mind. I am safe. I am capable. I have the strength to face what comes. Continuing to breathe naturally, bring to mind something that brings gratitude into your heart. It could be a person who supports you, a beautiful moment you've experienced, or simply a sensation of being alive and breathing. Hold on to this feeling of gratitude, allowing it to fill you with warmth and contentment. And when you're ready, gently start to bring your awareness back to the present surroundings. Begin by wiggling your fingers and toes. Take a few more deep breaths, gradually becoming more aware of your surroundings. And at your own pace, whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. And take your time transitioning out of this practice. Notice how your body and mind feel after engaging in this mindful exercise. And remember that this is a tool that you can return to whenever you need a moment of calm and grounding amidst triggers or anxious feelings.